chili five-way Cincinnati would even be proud of. Here we go. A pot for boiling water. We got our leftover chili kind of hanging out. Salt it like it's the ocean. Ooh. Once it comes to a boil, in goes our pasta. I'm using thick spaghetti. Let me know in the comments what you think of five-way chili. Oh, here we go. Gotta make sure that spaghetti's done. Burn my fingers a little the first time. Yep, almost al dente. Give it another minute. Drain that water. Let's put it on our plate. Now it's time to move that chili over and lather that puppy on. Ooh. Let's dress it up. We're gonna take some cheddar cheese and a little bit of onions. Chili five-way is fantastic, guys. Enjoy.